I'm Adam, I work in substation maintenance. We mostly work in the metro area. In my spare time I like surfing, keeping active, camping, walking my dog, and not many people know that this is what I look like without a moustache. I've come from a construction background, working in civil construction, and electrical trades always interested me. You hear so many good things about Sappin from friends and family, and I really just wanted to have a go at getting a job here, and I was lucky enough to succeed. Working at SA Power Networks has given me better technical knowledge, and I've worked with some really good role models that have shown me how to be a better member of a team. In addition to that, it's changed my lifestyle in a massive way. I used to get home from work and feel like I need a reward for getting through a big day, but now I get home and I'm just happy and feel much more productive. The thing I value most about this job is the potential for development. There's so many opportunities given to us. I'm currently studying the Advanced Diploma in Electrical Engineering, trying to get as good as possible at the job I have now. In the future I see maybe a more technical role, maybe as a technical support officer or team leader in my current position. The last thing I want to say is just how meaningful and important the apprenticeship has been for me and the change it's made in my life, and it's probably been the best thing I've done, and I don't have kids yet, so I'm allowed to say that.